Coming to you live, one of the SpaceX launches from Port St. John, Florida. Going out to Tom and Ruth in the Philippines. The Tom and Ruth in the Philippine channel. This is coming to you from my house in Port St. John, Florida. Just one of the many launches here from the Space Coast. So hopefully that light in the sky will get bright and you'll get to see something here in a second, unless there's a lot of fog off the Indian River. And there she is, coming to you from Port St. John, Florida, to Tom and Ruth's adventure in the Philippines, a launch of one of the SpaceX rockets. Another beautiful launch by SpaceX. Sending this one out to the International Space Station for Tom and Ruth in the Philippines at Philippine Adventure. Beautiful clear night. A little bit of wind. It's about 68 degrees. And I'm freezing, of course, being a Floridian. Looks beautiful. I'm going to zoom in a little. There we go. Looking good. Like I said, this goes out for all the subscribers getting ready to go to the 2020 subscribers reunion in Mindanao, Philippines. And if you listen now, you can hear the rumble coming. Here comes the rumble. Oh yeah, you can hear that rumble now. Go baby go. A resupply mission for the ISS. There goes the solids off the side. I hope this launch goes as well as the Tom and Ruth reunion, subscribers reunion in Davao, Philippines. All right, we've lost light. Here goes another booster just shooting off to the sides. Boosters are our way. Can't see it, but have a great night and God bless. This is Mitch Bromwell coming to you live from Port St. John, Florida at the SpaceX launch to the International Space Station.